Hello and welcome. We've started moving stuff into the shed. We do still have some of the flashings to put up. We're just waiting for the metal place, the shed place, to send them through, and then we'll put those in. But for now, this is where we're at. We've got the Pontiac. We're going to do a lot of stuff to this. It's going to be a bit of a long project, but this is just my burnout car. If you haven't seen it before, it's got a AU Ford Falcon bottom end with the Pontiac grafted over the top of it. And so it has all the Falcon running gear, suspension, brakes, and then we have a whole set HX40 turbo, 1000cc injectors, runs E85, it's got the fuel cell in the back. It just made 417 horsepower at the wheels, but we'll make more. We'll try and shoot for 500. As a burnout car, it should be plenty. We've started bringing some tools in. Some of the stuff's in here. I've still got other stuff over in the sea container and the other makeshift shed that I had. So still heaps more to bring in. I'm still trying to decide where things are going to go. So I've got my bender there, and then we were going to put the guillotine here, but I'm thinking that the brake and the guillotine should go up the front of the shed there where the entrance is. These tools here will move across a bit because we've got a power hammer going in line with this pole. That'll have some soundproofing behind it to absorb a little bit of the noisiness from that. This corner here will be the welding corner. I will sort it out a bit better so that the welding table's over here. I've got a bench that's going to go across the back over that side there. And then eventually we've got a CNC plasma table going in here. I don't know if I'm just going to get a 1.2 by 1.2 meter table yet, or if we're going to go a full half sheet 1.2 by 1.2 by 3 meter one, but we'll see how we go. But for now, that's tools in here. And then I've got the Buick sitting in here. This one here is a bit of a decision-making process because I don't know if I want to chop the roof or not. I was going to chop the roof 3 inches and have to make up some new sail panels on the back and redo the back section of the roof, lay the back window down a bit. But I don't know. Let me know what you think, because it'll be interesting to see what everybody else says about whether you think it's low enough. I do think it needs the roof chop. That's just my opinion, and I think I am going to do that anyway, but it's interesting to see what people think. It's obviously very low. I haven't got the sills in yet. I've got new sill panels ready to bolt in. This one here, a fabrication shop did this. Did all the bits and pieces and started Frenching in the lights, and they just haven't done it to what I would want. So I'm going to redo a lot of it, like their lead work and stuff like that down there. I don't know if I'm going to keep the lead in there or not. I might wipe that all out and just go body filler because it is going to be a show car. It's going to be still one of my cruisers. I'm going to drive this around all the time, but I want to do some different things to it. So the French headlights will stay, but I'm going to do those a bit better than what they've done. We've got a set of white walls all the way around. We're going to take off, I think I'm going to leave all the trim off it, and I'm just going to leave these bonnet latches on only, and possibly the bonnet emblem on the front. But other than that, I don't think I'll do trims down the side. I do have a set of 46 or 47 Packard spears that go down the side. but I don't think I'm going to use those. I am going to do the wheel covers. I'm going to remake these. I'm going to make them very similar to that, but I want a little bit of a kick out at the edge here. I want a little tiny bit of a radius at the bottom, just a bit cooler. We're going to get these gaps done right. We're going to lean this B-pillar forward. And yeah, everything will stay as it looks now, so no door handles. There'll be poppers on that with remote controls. Same with the boot. The boot, I'm actually going to put a bonnet latch inside with an electronic popper and a backup emergency brake pull thing on it. So yeah, so this thing, it's got a final drive brand new 9-inch diff in it with disc brake rear, and axles and stuff are all in there. It's got a 4-link triangulated setup on it. Not what I would have chosen to start with. I like having a Panhard rod, just a bit stiffer, but the triangulator setup will work fine for what I'm using it for. Then it's got a wishbone front end on it with the airbags and everything on the front. Full disc brake conversion with Wilwood calipers and big discs on it, so it will stop. And yeah, so this one we're thinking is going to go an LS twin turbo, just auto. It's going to have full aircon, the whole works. I want it to run and drive like a brand new car, just look cool as hell. And yeah, let me know what you think. I will keep you updated as I put more things in the shed, and we'll work it out. For now, have a good day.